Before today, the term realme would be a strange one to most Kenyans. But since launching in the Kenyan market a few months ago, the company has illustrated that it did not come here to play. But that is for good reason, because the market is insanely competitive. To this end, any new phone manufacturer that comes to Kenya this late has to bring something special. And is that what realme has done? Brought something special? Maybe yes, but one thing is for sure, the company is flooding the market with many options to raise eyebrows. There is an entry-level realme C11 for 10,000 shillings that's already in the stores, and there is a 30k realme 6 that we have already done an unboxing and first impressions video on. You can find the link up there and also in the description box. Then here they come again with the realme C15 to give those with a budget of between 10,000 and 20,000 something to smile about. We definitely had to unbox this one. Let's take it and go. The C15 is definitely a budget phone and the packaging is quite minimal in terms of its contents. So a very quick and easy unboxing. The phone, a SIM ejector pin, an 18-watt charging brick, and a micro USB cable. The charging brick that we have in our review unit is not the same as the one that will retail in the Kenyan market, as it is not compatible with the standard Kenyan electrical socket output. So no worries, and even if you get one like this one, feel free to get an adapter that works with the sockets. For example, the person who will win this phone will have to get one. Oh, I didn't mention it? We're giving away one of these two devices. Details on what to do are on the Techweez Instagram page. Feel free to follow and find out more on what to do. In the meantime, if you're not a subscriber, go on ahead and do so. In the next video, we shall be giving away another device, so the notification button will be of great use. The realme C15 comes in two color variants, marine blue and seagull silver, and ticks all the boxes of a device that fits into that price range. So don't expect a flagship look and feel. With a plastic textured back and coming in at a heavy 209 grams.
Say what?
Oh yes, it's a bulky and heavy phone. For the reasons I will give in a few. It has a big HD Plus screen that is 6.5 inches that is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass and comes in RAM options of 3 or 4 GB and storage options of 32 and 64 GB. It has a dedicated slot for expandable storage on the dual standby SIM tray. The C15 is equipped with 5 cameras, 4 at the back with a 13 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels ultra-wide, 2 megapixels monochrome, and 2 megapixels depth sensor. The 8 megapixels lens on the front is hidden under the teardrop notch. These are definitely not top-shelf specs, but considering the price, you're getting yourself a device that gives you a variety of features to play with. You will definitely notice some lack of detail and texture in the images thanks to the inferior processing of the photos compared to the realme 6. But then again, realme 6 is 50% pricier. So at this point, it's a question of value for money. Is it good? Yes, but it can be better. Hopefully this is something that a software update can fix in future. Speaking of the processor, the chip responsible is the MediaTek G35 chip octa-core processor that so far is touted to keep everything running smoothly. You can actually game on this phone, not at the highest resolutions with the highest titles, but it can handle its own pretty well. The last aspect of this unboxing experience is the battery. Another contributor to the size and weight of this phone, I am sure, is the 6,000 mAh battery. Humongous by any metrics. To this end, we are confident that you can squeeze at least 2 days of use from a single charge. Charging speeds have also been taken care of. You can top it up to 25% in 30 minutes using the 18-watt charging brick. These are not the fastest speeds around, definitely, but for the expected price of below 20k, we will take it. On first impression, it is a phone worth your time, especially with the fast face unlock, responsive fingerprint scanner, and of course coming with Android 10 over realme UI out of the box. The screen also is surprisingly bright for a full HD screen at this price point. We will examine the C15 to give you our full assessment and a full review. Make sure not to miss that on techweez.com. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now we go.